Hi everyone! Olympic National Park has multiple waterfalls, and in this week's video we hiked to one of them.
Marymere Falls Trailhead is located near Lake Crescent off of Lake Crescent Road, near Highway 101. Parking at the Storm King Ranger Station can fill up quickly during peak season. National park fees apply for the day pass, which is $30 and it's valid for 7 consecutive days. Or you could use a National Park annual pass, which we got for $55. The 90-foot waterfall is only a 1.8 mile round trip hike. The trail is mostly flat, but it has about a 500 elevation gain with various wooden stairs toward the end of the trail. Unfortunately, there are no pets allowed on this trail.
We got to the trail later than we had planned, and there were only a handful of cars left in the parking lot. We hesitated for a few minutes on whether or not to do the hike, but since we were already there, we decided to go for it. But we did agree to rush the hike and to not stop and admire too much. The lake is so beautiful, and this spot would be perfect for a picnic. Just past the lake, there was a tunnel, which runs under the 101. The moss-covered rocks and tree trunks make this trail look so whimsical and beautiful. trail is very well marked and maintained. There are multiple trails that connect to this one, like the Storm King Trail and the Barnes Creek Trail. When I heard the running water, I thought we were near the waterfall, but not quite yet. The running water we had heard was the Barnes Creek. The wooden stairs on the bridge were the first of many to come. After the bridge, we began the uphill climb. After what felt like an infinite amount of stairs, we got to the waterfall. This is usually a pretty popular hike and it can get crowded, but we were there at low season, so we were the only ones at the falls. Although we enjoyed having the waterfall to ourselves, I do not recommend starting the trail almost at sunset like we did, because although we did get to see the waterfall, we didn't get to fully enjoy the trail. We climbed an extra set of wooden stairs to a higher viewing point. Unfortunately, we had to rush out because it started getting dark. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.